Hard light versus soft light. What's the difference and when do you use it? First off, stop yelling at me. I got hands in real life. And second, don't worry about it. I got you covered. To help me show you the difference, I'm gonna be with my man C Jizzle. Jizzle, say what's up to the folks. Say what's up to the folks, bro. Boy, so uncooperative. Whatever. Hard light versus soft light is just referring to the shadows in every image. As a photographer or just a person who takes photos or videos, actually, but whatever. As a photographer, you want to remember the larger your modifier, the softer your shadows will be. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. If you got a setup like this, where your modifier is bigger than the subject, then you will get soft shadows. Just as a side note, that is in relation to the distance between the modifier and the subject. If this is my subject and he stays right here and I move this across the street, it's still bigger than him, but it's super far away, making it a small light source. But if I use something like this as a light source in conjunction to my subject, then the light's much smaller, which means my shadows will be much harder. Now you see the difference in size between modifiers and the subject here, right? I'm sorry, that was crazy. You see the difference in size between the subject and the modifier, but now you have to see it because I said I would show you what the difference looks like. So I'm gonna now with that same light modifier, the small one I showed you before, you can see how hard the shadow is on the side of dude's face because that light source ain't bigger than his head. Is even creating a relatively hard shadow on the background. So you get that as well. You see it, you see the difference? You see it. You see it, okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now you get a much bigger light source, the one I showed you before, and shine the same light on him. That shadow fall off is much softer on bro's face. Like he looks a little elegant. He looks flattering. Same thing with the shadows. It's basically a blur. It's no hard edge to the light anymore. You don't know what you're looking at. You're just looking at a gray wall. That's crazy. Typically, you use a larger modifier for a softer light, softer shadows, when you want a photo that's like light and airy and bright and soft, kind of like this, or this, or this. Typically, you switch it up to like a smaller modifier or no modifier at all to get hard shadows. Those photos are a lot more punchy and contrasty, kind of like these, and this, and this. Hard light versus soft light. That's the difference. This is usually the part where like a YouTuber or people who make videos say something like, please like, share, subscribe. Bye.